Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Two cards. Messages for Virgo and what's going on. Eight of Wands with Eight of Cups. I think maybe you decided to walk away from this connection, Virgo, because they treated you as an option. For some, this is on and off connection. Your person is in and out of your life. Yeah. That's why maybe you decided to walk away from this connection, but there is communication is coming. Maybe your person want to communicate with you. There is lots of communication is coming in near future, back and forth. So let's see our reading. Recent past, world, Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles and Judgment. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, cycles already ended. And I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. I think in recent past, you made a decision regarding this relationship. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Then present Empress, Five of Pentacles and the Strength. So you are focusing on yourself, on your self growth. You want to take your control back. Maybe in past you are emotionally dependent on them, but now you want to stand by yourself. Yes, Five of Pentacles, cold shouldering. Definitely they are treating you as your option, as a choice. You don't want that. Yes, that's why you want to stand by your power and you are trying to focus on yourself, and you will definitely stand by your power in near future, because the Strength card, you got the strength. Yes, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Leo or Virgo. It's your card and it's your reading. And future, the Hermit, Nine of Cups and Eight of Swords. I think you are feeling stuck sometimes. Even though you stand by your power, sometimes you are getting thoughts. Yes, somewhere in you, still you are thinking about them. And the Hermit, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening process. You are not talking to anyone. After transformation, definitely your wishes are going to be true. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment is there. But before, there is some transformation in your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Virgo, let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Judgment is here. I think they are also in the process of making decision. For some, one person in this connection may be undergoing legal issues, divorce, separation. So let's see their current feelings, Virgo. Magician, maybe they're trying to manifesting you. For some, definitely your person is a player type energy. That's why you decided to walk away. Because magician sometimes treated as manipulator, player. But this time they want to take action towards you. They are making plans. And if you are in separation with your person, they want reconciliation. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. Love is there. The Lovers card. Maybe I think they are physically attracted to you. Definitely they want to make action towards you. They're thinking about how to make action. For some, your person is very dominative and very aggressive in nature. So let's see their intentions. Virgo. Again the Magician. And Two of Pentacles with Five of Cups under the deck. Definitely they are missing you. Right now your person is juggling. Definitely they have to make some decision, but they are indecisive. Maybe they are juggling between head over their heart. Definitely your person have to make some decision before coming towards you. Two of Swords, they are at some crossroads, unable to make any decision right now. And Five of Wands, lot of drama is going between you and your person. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention. And the Magician, I think they are manifesting you energetically. Physically, yes, they are planning to take action, but they are confused. They are at some crossroads. They have to make decision before coming towards you. Yes, actually we got Judgment card. Definitely they are in the process of making decision. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or especially Gemini. Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Virgo. Six of Swords with Queen of Swords and Devil. For some, this person may be toxic for you. They are very dominative. They are very indecisive. Yes. And Six of Swords, for some, you both in long distance relationship. Definitely they want to fix the things between both of you. But right now they are not willing to communicate with you because they are in the process of making decision. Yes, they are juggling. Still they are not making decisions. Still they are juggling. They are in the process of making decision. One, the decision was done, then they will come to you. Otherwise, but they are obsessed with you. For some, this person may be toxic for you, very dominative. Yes, they are planning to communicate with you, but it will take time. But communication is coming. So let's see from your side. Yeah, communication. They are rushing communicate with you. And Four of Cups, you are also feeling missed opportunity with this person. And Four of Pentacles, but you are holding back. You are not going to make any action. Yes, you are holding back. Maybe you are waiting on them to reach out to you, but you are holding back. But you are missing them. Seven of Wands with Ten of Cups. I think you both don't want to give up on each other. You both want this happiness from each other. But right now it is not happening. To be honest with you, it will take some time because your person right now juggling. They have to make some decision. Maybe they have some family issues or it could be anything. Definitely your person have some issues in their life. But you both want the same thing. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Virgo. I have too much going on in my life. Yes, I already told you. I always thinking about you. This person is sneaky. Yes, for some this person may be toxic and sneaky for you. And retreat. And third party involved. So the messages from your person and are they have too much going on in their life and they always thinking about you. This person is sneaky, retreat and third party involved. And I fantasize about you. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Virgo. Confidence is your key to success. New Moon in Leo. And it's time to take action. New Moon in Aries. So for some, you want to take action. This is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when New Moon in Aries. And confidence is your key to success. New Moon in Leo. So when you are doing any work, be confident. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.